Good morning, dear students. Look here. Yesterday you proved that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. That is trigonometrical identity. It's an identity. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Once again you write it. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. From that you get 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square. Write it. And 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square. Write it. Come on. 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a and 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square. From that you get 2 more. Is it? Are you ready? Then another identity number 2 is, it is not necessary to prove that. Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. You write it. Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. From that you get 1 plus tan square a. From this you minus tan square a transfer to that side, it is 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a. Similarly, sec square a minus 1 equal to tan square a. You write 3 of them. This is the identity. And the last identity, that's the third one, is cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a. And cosec square a minus 1 equal to cot square a. 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a. Cosec square a minus 1 is equal to cot square. So the three identities are sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, sec square a minus tan square equal to 1, cosec square a minus cot square equal to 1. Okay, there are the three identities. You study well the identities. It is not necessary to prove that. You write very carefully the 3 of them. From that you get 2 more answers. Is it all right? And that's a small confusion also. This full undo in the syllabus is got deleted. അതൊന്നും കൂടെ നോക്കണം. ഇത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് അറിയില്ല. ഒരു ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റി മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ എന്നൊരു കേട്ടു. ഉറപ്പില്ല കേട്ടോ. സൈൻ സ്ക്വയർ എ പ്ലസ് കോസ് സ്ക്വയർ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, മറ്റത് ഇല്ല എന്നൊരു പറച്ചിലുണ്ട്. അത് ഉറപ്പിക്കാം. അതുപോലെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിലത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കണ്ട. ഞാൻ വേറെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് തരാം. ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ കുറേ ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പോയ കുറേ ഭാഗങ്ങളുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊക്കെ കൂടി എന്തിനാ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് വേണ്ട. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലം ഞാൻ തരാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഓക്കെ. നൗ prove that better you write it. Prove that root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. Sec a plus tan a. I think the problem is difficult, not too difficult, but comparative. Look here. Now you study rationalize the denominator. So the denominator is 1 minus sin a. If you multiply it by 1 plus sin a, you get a rational number. Look here. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 1 plus sin a. That is the first. Multiplied by 1 plus sin a, both the denominator and numerator. So you get like this. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 plus sin a whole square. This is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. That is 1 square 1 minus sin square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. It's clear. Next line, root of 1 plus sin a whole square divided by, in the identity you studied that 1 minus sin square a equal to o square. You studied that 1 minus sin square a equal to o square. So, next, root of 1 plus sin a whole square is 1 plus sin a itself. Root cos square a equal to cos. Is it clear? You take the roots. And cos a is the denominator of this term and that term. So you get 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. This is the denominator for 1 and sin a. You get the idea? Is it up to this step? And the last answer is 1 by cos a equal to sec a. 1 by cos is the reciprocal of cos is sec. And sin a by cos a equal to tan a. This is your answer. And you write left hand side equal to right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side equal to right hand. Remember, you use the identity 1 minus sine square A equal to cos square. Whether you write it similarly, 1 by cos A equal to sec A. Similarly, sin A by cos A equal to tan. Use these three. Better you write this. Okay, look here. Remember, better you write this one. Sin A by cos A equal to tan A and cos A by sin A equal to cos A. You write that too also. Sin by cos equal to tan and cos by sin equal to cos. Is it over? Are you ready? Next question. Prove that there's a small confusion in this one. Just a minute. I want to select this question. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A. Remember, these problems are comparatively complicated. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. That is the left hand side. 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 CP. This is the LHS and that is the RHS. We want to prove this is equal to that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look here. So what's your question? Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Are you ready? Look here. And now this is a fraction, so you crossly multiply it. Cos A into cos A, cos square. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. Divided by denominators are 1 plus sin A into cos A. Is it clear? That is the first step. Are you ready? Second step. This is A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, cos square A plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into sin A, 2 sin A plus sin square A. A square 2AB B square divided by, here it is 1 plus sin A into cos. Is it clear? That is applying A plus B whole square. That is the second step. Now you studied cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. These two added to that one, and there is another one also. 2 sin A by, here it is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Are you ready? Is it completed? So you write in bracket sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. That is identity used in this problem. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Is it clear? And 2 plus 2 sin A, you take 2 as a common factor. There is 2 into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Is it clear? That is 2 taken as a common factor outside. Now 1 plus sin A, it cancels. Your answer is 2 by cos A. 1 by cos A equal to sec A. So what is the final answer? 2 by cos A equal to 2 sec A. That is the RHS, right hand side. So you write the answer LHS equal to RHS. Better you solve this problem. 2 problem ഞാൻ ചെയ്തില്ല, അതന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ഒന്നുകൂടി ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.